base car, with LS3 in it, and that comes factory with it. This right here. And this thing is awesome. I wouldn't mind having one of these. I guess it's, I don't know what the comparison is out here, but it's a GM base, sort of. But that's pretty cool. Twin turbo. How much power does it make? How much power does it make?
Just right over 700.
So what motor?
Around 710 to 720. Depends on how my meth is feeling back there.
Nice. You don't want to go E85?
Huh?
E85?
No, I would, but the injectors were just a little bit too much. I mean, the tuning was just, I just thought originally it would be 93 octane if it were in Texas, but
yeah,
91 on it. You know what I mean? Twin precision 68 millimeter turbos.
That's awesome.
It's an LS3 stroked out to a 416. They originally had an LS2 in it, but I pretty much got rid of that block and traded it in for LS3 because I figured I wanted to get a little higher displacement.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? So it was built top to bottom.
Was it built for boost?
High RAM.
Was the motor?
It's at 15 psi.
What's the compression in the motor?
I really don't know.
Okay.
The compression, I'm not too sure. But I assume probably like around 9. Like
okay, so
9 or so.
Yeah.
But my Hayabusa that I have is running on like 13 because I got nitrous Hayabusa as well.
Nice.
So, but I assume because of the turbos, it was lower.
Oh, I like your hood prop.
And everything. Yeah, you like the hood prop? It's custom made.
I got a pool cue on mine.
Bro, it's like, it's funny because I told my tuner, I said, hey, before you guys give it back to me, let me get those hydraulic ones that you just pull up and just stays up, and they completely forgot about it. I was like, well, I gotta go back to my resort.
Yep, that's awesome.
Made one.
See a Terminator X over there?
Yeah, I had to get the Terminator X. I originally had HP tuners on it, but it wasn't enough.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? And it was like going to a standalone was inevitable, pushing this much power.
I like the Terminator X because it's just enough. It's like, it's easy to use, and then it's just, you have enough features.
Yeah, I used to have a what was this JDM one, Haltech. I used to have a Haltech 500, not on this, but I used to have a 240SX with the SR28. So,
this is a nice sleeper.
I was familiar with standalones, but I didn't know how good the Holly Terminator X was. So I thought, when my tuner set, so I said, go ahead.
That's cool, man.
You need it, you gotta have it.
What's your name?
Hank.
Rich.
Rich?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, and